Hello po, Virgo. Welcome po sa inyong reading. No? This is for Virgo, June the 21st to June the 23rd. No? So Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong isang reading dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylad TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, welcome na welcome po kayo. Ayan. So, Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. No? You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, no? Virgo, ang nakikita ko dito, parang minsan magulo, minsan tahimik. Wala kang common ground na, kumbaga, wala dito yung parang nandun ka sa middle na kampante ako, no? Kasi parang pabigla-bigla, biglang gugulo, biglang aayos. So parang inaantay mo, kailan ba kami uli mag-aaway? No? Parang ganon. Kailan kaya yung biglang totopakin, no? Itong si person, no? Kahit sabihin natin na kumbaga mas okay sana kung ini-schedule no, yung away para at least prepared ka. Pero hindi naman kasi yan na i-schedule. So bigla-bigla siyang dumadating, no? Kumbaga para sa iyo, every day is a surprise and you don't know what you're gonna get, no? Whether it is ito bang araw na ito ay tahimik kami, or itong araw na ito ay isang delubyo, no? What I am seeing in here, Virgo, is meron kasing isa dito na parang napipilitan na lang, no? So that's the reason. Napipilitan, why? Siguro because of the circumstances. What I am seeing in here is siguro napipilitan dahil for comfort, no? Let's be honest and real, and this might be the reality of life. Na I am sticking or staying in a connection dahil wala akong magagawa. Either mahirap ako, mahirap kami, no? Hindi ako nakapag-aral, no? Wala akong kakayahan. So kahit medyo mabigat ang puso ko, I'm staying in the connection for comfort, no? Pwede rin I'm staying double whammy, no? May anak kami, wala rin akong kakayahan. If umalis ako dito, kawawa yung bata. Double whammy, di ba? So, kumbaga, yung isa dito is tinitiis. Ang isang sitwasyon na parang sa kanya is ayoko na, no? Or kahit man lang sana one day, no? Or at least several days, magkaroon ako ng kapanatagan, no? Ng pag-iisip, kapanatagan ng damdamin. The Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. So parang mas dominant ngayon yung maraming araw na stress tayo. Kumbaga dominant din ngayon yung araw na I think meron na ditong nakaka-experience ng anxiety attack to a point na binabangungot, no? Sa sobrang ayoko yung sitwasyon, hindi naman ako nagsasalita. Pero bit-bit ko yung sama ng loob hanggang pagtulog. No, yung ganon. Yung stress level, no? Ang taas-taas. Yung iba, katulad sabi ko, binabangungot. No? Gusto magsalita, hindi ko magawa. With the Queen of Cups, gusto ko rin itanong, saan na papunta itong relasyon na ito? No? I feel like konting-konti na lang, we're gonna be stuck. It felt like we're not moving at all, no? Um, siguro meron ditong nag-iingat din, no? Because of the comfort nga, no? Ayoko mapatid yon kasi saan ako pupulutin. Mhm. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords, the Devil card, and the Five of Swords. So there's a lot of controls. So you might be connecting to a person who's very narcissistic. Kontrolado lahat ng bagay. And you want like, I'm no longer happy. I want some freedom. No. If, I want to win, kahit for a little while, but it felt like I don't have the capacity to do so because my opponent is very powerful. And what sad is, yung opponent mo is yung person mo, which supposed to be the other way around, no? Your person should be, your teammate, a person that you can lean on, that you can probably, dun ka huhugot ng lakas. Pero this time, I feel like mas pinapahina ka, no? With the Five of Wands and the Eight of Coins. Yung iba sa inyo is probably, humahanap ng trabaho, literal, humahanap ng trabaho kasi siguro nakakarinig na ng kung ano-ano, no? Nasasabihan na, nasusumbatan na. Ayan. Whether it is, I think that this is not just one person, no? I think also nasusumbatan ng family, nakakarinig na ng iba-iba sa family ni person, no? With the um Hermit, the Eight of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. So, paano naman ito, Virgo, kung gusto mo maganap na trabaho, hindi ka naman papayagan? Katwiran ako ang nagpo-provide. No? Parang, there is an ego in here na, anong sasabihin ng ibang tao? Wala akong kwentang asawa. No? Yun naman. So, nakakulong lang tayo palagi. With the World card and the Page of Swords, there is an acceptance in here, or there's already were, no, or used to. I'm used to this, pero hindi na ito nag-work sa akin ngayon, no. I'm used to stay at home, dito lang ako. Pero kung ganito naman yung sitwasyon, gusto kong kumawala sa isang bagay na ayoko nang gawin, na hindi na masaya, no? This is your reading, Virgo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm also seeing couple of Virgo, Capricorn, no? Taurus, I said Leo, Pisces, Cancer. Yeah, Sagittarius is also here, which I also said. So this is your reading, Virgo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po, no? Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Meron din po tayong mga readings doon. So, if you would like to check it, by all means, kung meron din po kayong mga tanong, magtanong po sa comment section dito po sa YouTube, hindi po sa TikTok, sa YouTube po. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no, sasagutin po natin yan, no? Pero Virgo, kung feeling nyo po, hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, no? Meron po tayong link na nasa description box. So either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my page or website, no? Nandun po yung information, how to make a payment, how the process goes, how much is it, no? Pakibasa na lang tong mabuti. And we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it, discounted price. And kung gusto niyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Virgo.